Oh, bollocks.
What?
Right, let's go and have a look how far we've got. Oh, there you got far to go. I say he's going to get stuck. I think keep up. There you go. Both roof sections are up. Waiting for steel to come. Tuesday. You've been helping me, haven't you, Alfie? You've been helping? Let's have a look inside then. Oh, the other gas struts are working good as well. Makes it nice and easy. Although this side is not fitted yet. Alright, so over there is going to be the seating. Yep, you agree, Kira? I'll put the seats there. A bit of fold down bed as well. Windows go in here. And that's just to let everybody know who's done it. Air vents go in here. And that one in that section. Roof matches up quite nice. Kira, don't rock the boat. And then down here, a crazy dog chasing shadows. Yeah. And I think we'll have to write that the women are going to get involved when it comes to decorating. So there's no panels in the sides yet. We can sort that. Here's to the next bit. Okay. Right. Oh, what are you doing? Right, let's have a look. This is it folded down, first section. It's all nicely compacted down. The coach bolts. Yeah, that's looking good. Struts are working. No back yet, it's coming Tuesday. And the protective and I like the way this just misses the door. It's by the hinge there, you see, just misses the hinges and everything. Here, it's looking good. I've got some caps for them corners. As you can see, I can lift it up with one finger at the moment, but obviously it's sticking on that side because it's not got its strength yet. So, there you go. That's lifting up with one hand. Perfect. It will be when it's all together. Oh God, you two, stop playing up. Stop it, Kira. And that's that done. Right. Good. There's a piece to go in the middle here. I gotta get that. I gotta get that. Back pieces. But so far it's looking good.